Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is red bean soup with tangerine peel, which is tang sui and is also a dessert. Cantonese people like it for two reasons. One is for health and the other is for deliciousness. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, sugar is cool in nature and can remove heat and dampness. Tangerine peel promotes qi and strengthens the spleen, remove dampness and resolve phlegm. Red beans can nourish blood, strengthen the spleen and promote diuresis. The tangerine peel that has been stored for more than 3 years has a unique and mellow aroma, and boiled red beans have a sandy texture. Together with sugar, the combination of the three is delicious. The cooking method is very simple. Let's get started. Soak 100 grams of red beans in water for an hour. Also need 15 grams of brown rock sugar and 9 grams of tangerine peel. Put the soaked red beans into the pressure cooker. Add 500 milliliters of water, the tangerine peel, brown rock sugar, cover, cook for half an hour or more. Red bean soup with tangerine peel is ready. If you like a creamier texture, put it in a food blender. You'll have it in half a minute. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.